Alright, so for my quiz review, I decided to go over question 3. The question is, when you commit a crime, can you be forced to pay money as a penalty? The correct answer here is yes, sometimes, depending on the crime. Now, how did I know that? Let's go over here to our week 1 lesson, and we're going to full screen this. So for civil cases, if you are found liable, you pay money. Now, what's an important distinction about civil cases is that you only pay money. You only pay some kind of property or something. You will never ever go to jail or never lose your freedom. But with criminal cases, if you are found guilty, you go to jail, pay a fine, get put on house arrest, do one of those things, or several. And so you can do multiple, there's multiple things that can come out of being found guilty in a criminal case. So if we go back over to our quiz, yes, sometimes depending on the crime is correct because you do pay a fine sometimes, but you might also go to jail or have another punishment. The next one is yes, but only if the crime is stealing property. That's not true because you can get a fine for anything, speeding tickets, everything, not just stealing property. No, the penalty for crimes is jail time. While that is true and jail time is an option, it's not the only option. So this does not thoroughly answer the question. That's why it's incorrect. No, people only pay money in civil lawsuits, not criminal cases. While that is true, people do pay money in civil lawsuits. It's not only in civil lawsuits. It is also criminal cases. So that one is once again not the entire truth, and that's why it's wrong.